Hello student, I think you all of us completed your homework. Today we have to study similarity and right angle triangle theorem. This is very important theorem. Pythagoras theorem depends upon this theorem. In a right angle triangle, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle and to each other. Given part is in a right angle triangle. So draw right angle triangle PQR. Here Q is right angle. If second part, if the altitude is drawn to the hypotenuse, here now draw altitude QS that is perpendicular to hypotenuse. This is given part. So we write given part in triangle PQR. Angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Segment QS is perpendicular to PR and P dash S dash R. Now to prove part, then the two triangles formed are similar to the original triangle. Here two triangles are formed because of this QS. These two triangles are similar to original triangle, that is triangle PQR. To prove triangle PSQ is similar to PQR. Next, triangle QSR similar to PQR. And third one, to each other means triangle PSQ similar QSR. Now we write proof. First draw triangle. First part in triangle PSQ and triangle PQR. Here angle Q and angle S are 90 degree. How to write? Angle PSQ congruent angle PQR. Region each 90 degree. Here in both the triangle, angle P is common. We write angle P congruent angle P. But here we write using the three vertices, that is angle SPQ congruent QPR. Common angle. Therefore, triangle PSQ similar triangle PQR. This is statement number 1. Reason is AA test. Now in second, triangle QSR and PQR. Angle QSR means this angle S. Congruent angle PQR means this angle Q. Both are 90 degrees, therefore they are congruent. Reason is each 90 degree. Here angle R is common in the both the triangle, that is angle QRS congruent angle PRQ, common angle. Therefore triangle QSR similar triangle PQR. Reason is A test. This is statement number 2 from 1 to. Here triangle PQR, here also triangle PQR on the right hand side. Means these two triangles are similar to triangle PQR. Therefore from 1 and 2 write triangle PSQ similar triangle QSR from 1 to. This is statement number 3 from 1 to 3. First is congruent similar to second. Third is similar to second. means triangle PQR, triangle PQR. Therefore, we write all three are similar to each other. Triangle PSQ, similar triangle QSR, similar triangle PQR. The property of transitivity. Theorem of geometric mean. In a right angle triangle, a perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex. The geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. First we draw right angle triangle PQR. Q is right angle. The perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse. Here we draw a perpendicular to the segment from the opposite vertex. Q is the opposite vertex. From Q we draw perpendicular. QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. Here QS is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Means hypotenuse is divided into two parts, that is PS and RS. Means QS square is equal to PS into SR. Given part, in triangle PQR, angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Segment QS perpendicular to PR, P dash S dash R. To prove QS square is equal to PS into SR. In a right angle triangle PQR, segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. This is given part. Therefore, triangle PSQ, similar triangle QSR. By reason is similarity of right angle triangles. Therefore, SQ upon SR, SQ upon SR is equal to PS upon QS, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Here we take only two ratios out of 3. Here SQ and here QS. When we cross multiply, QS square is equal to PS into SR. This is called geometric mean theorem. We use these theorems to solve the examples. Okay, students, you all write these two theorems and its proof. Okay, bye.